Guys, she's trying to eat the bottle. So, see? I prepared everything. I put down my lizard. Well, it's actually my sister's, but. And then I put down my. She has sticky tongue slobber. But I'm going to feed Razor some cicadas.
Yeah, some cicadas.
Okay? Quit copying everything I say. Hold it! On Razor.
Hi, guys.
Hey,
look at Razor.
Hey, no, Jay. Actually, just keep it on Razor. Just on Razor. Understand?
Yeah.
And don't put it on everything else like over there. Understand? Yes.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, and bam. I'm getting out this cicada. Bam. Come on, cicada. Hey. None of them are trying to get out. Sorry, Ray. None wanted to come out. Jay, is it on Razor?
Yeah.
Okay. So, guys, is it on me and the other stuff?
No.
Okay. So, Ray, go to town.
Good boy, Razor.
Hey, that's a girl. How dare you insult Ray?
Good girl, Razor. Razor just ate a cicada. So look, guys.
Here comes number 2.
See, guys?
My God. Here comes number 3.
Look, guys. See? See, guys?
The cameraman, be quiet.
Okay.
Yeah.
Look, you see it? Razor is a girl eating cicadas. And this is my friend Richard. Cousin Bird.
Okay. Just keep it on Ray, please.
And this is Richard's Scissor.
Bam. Check it out. Bam. Whoa! Cicada on the loop. Execution. Execution.
Yeah.
Hey, Jay. One cicada.
Yeah.
Execution.
I just heard one out there.
Oh my Lord! Execution 3 at a time, Ray, please. As they all fell out in one shot.
Wow, it's crunchy.
Yeah, 3 at a time, right? Eat it. Okay, let me see that. Holy no! No, one got it.
No, it's over there. No, it's over there.
Well, that's what we have there.
Hey, Richard.
What?
Hey, I'm talking.
Oh my God.
You want to come out on YouTube now?
I guess right now I'm making a YouTube.
We gotta get that.
Do you want some, you?
Not yet.
I got it, guys. My God, get down there. Okay, Ray is going for it.
Yeah, Ray's going for it.
I got him in a water bottle. I got it in a water bottle.
So quesadilla.
Okay, so I got some more down. Hey, come on, keep on moving.
Keep on moving.
Yep.
Move, you guys.
If Ray bites me, I'm going to be very mad.
Come on, move. Get it, Ray.
Ray's going for it. Ray's ate it. Mom, I'm making a YouTube.
I don't really care.
Ew, you have wet wings. Oh, yeah. Ray's on the... Hey, no, Jane. Not trash. I know you ate a lollipop later, but... What? Before. Jay, stop with the skewer stick. Just quit trying to poke him. Ray's still going... Jay, stop! Stop messing with stuff. Yo, bud! Okay, I'm trying... Stop, Jay. So, I almost just got my literal fingers bit. Look at him, Ray. It's buzzing. Look, Ray, it's a buzzer. That boy was buzzing. Hey, off me. And Ray should be going to town, technically. Get moving, bud. I can technically hand feed her. Ow! There's bugs all in my house. Bam, on the face. Oh, crap. Sorry, Ray. Okay, guys. Like and subscribe if you think that this is
like
cool.
and subscribe if you think this is cool. Because this is my cousin Richard's lizard, Razor, and it's a girl, guys. So, like and subscribe if you
Want to
think
see
this is-
more?
Yeah, if you want to see more. Make sure you subscribe to our channel.
To my channel. This is not.
No,
yours.
to all our channel. Okay, guys?
No, it's
And
not.
she's eating another one.
No, she's picking the kids
Yep.
up now.
We just got him. Okay, like and subscribe.